Hi, my name is Ibrahim Helmi, and I am working as a senior web developer. Now I have experience more than 5 years. I will explain to you today a vertical align element in CSS. Okay, so let's start with this PowerPoint. Okay, vertical aligned an element in CSS. We will use three methods or through three ways to make the element align vertically in style or in page. Okay, so the first method is using padding, and we will using the padding property with its values like that. And the second method using line height, and we will type display inline-block and vertical align with any value using Flexbox by typing display and value flex and property align items with any value. Let's check this code. I wrote it before. It's content of center padding class and center line height and center flex box. Mainly three classes used to explain each method. Okay, the first method, center padding, we will check using this class. Okay, and back to the page and refresh. What's happening here? Okay, so this class I will control vertically using these values. First, we should type padding property and control like that. We can make it 10 pixel. So 10 pixel in the top, 10 pixel in the top. I control that element to be aligned vertically in the top. What if I want it down in this div? I can make it simply by make it, say for example, this 70 and down will be 10, for example, or 0, like that. So we can control vertically from here, this for top and this for the bottom, and we can make it center. How can we make it center? If we make it 70 70, so 70 pixel here and 70 pixel here, make this paragraph center in vertical. So this is the first method using padding. Okay, what about the second method? Second method, it's called line height. Okay, the line height, we make a class called line height and paragraph, and the paragraph in this div or in this class, yani I mean this div take this class center, sorry, we will change it center line height like that, and the paragraph on it will take this two property, display and vertical align. We will save and back to the page to explain that in detail. Okay, well, I will refresh this. Okay, you have noticed that the class became center line height, and I can type this message with using line height. Okay, like using line height. Okay, so the div here, take a height, for example height 200 pixels, like that. Okay, okay, the important thing that the paragraph take display inline block and vertical align middle. how how we can control this element to be in top. We write top in the vertical align, or we can type bottom. Okay, what about this line, display inline block? If we remove display inline block, nothing effect. We make it top, nothing affected. So we should display inline block to use this property vertical align bottom, or make it center like that. Okay, okay, sorry, middle, yes. So the third method, using center Flexbox, using Flexbox, and this method, it's very tricky method. Sorry, we'll back to the page and refresh again. So this is a class we're using now, center Flexbox. Okay, the most important properties we will type here: display flex and align items in center. What if we want in the top? We will choose start, flex start. We make it in the top of the div, so we control now vertically. And or we can use flex end like that, or center, What if we remove display flex? The same thing like before, nothing effect here. If we make it start, flex start, nothing effect. But if we pack this line, display flex, look that. That's the three methods. Now I explain. I hope it's useful. If you have any comment, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.